Yes, my friend, go ahead.
All right, Mr. Fareed, there's news flying around that you have stepped down as FHL CEO.
Yes, it's no more news. It's fact. So maybe another half an hour, 45 minutes ago, I tendered my resignation to my chairman, and it was hard. But I'm a man of principle. I think last 8-9 days was very tough for me and my family. I need peace. I'm a God-fearing person. I need to do the right thing. And Fiji Holdings per se is much larger than just Fareed. So I have to protect the company which gave me everything what I have now. For the last 15 years, I'm an employee of Fiji Holdings. So it's very important for me to protect its image, brand, its shareholders. So I thought it's best I give the pathway to somebody to take over. So for the last 15 years, I have done wonders. And for the last 8 years, I was the group CEO. You don't need to know what Fareed has done. Just look at my numbers. I've performed. I've made sure FHL is growing to become one of the largest company in this country. And it will. Of course, I always had a dream of making FHL $1 billion company. And I have done enough work. So the next one is I'm sure that they're going to take it to the next level. So, but today I resign on my own will, my own free will and accord. Nobody forced me. Nobody stressed me. And my directors were very professional. And they were not willing to take my resignation at the beginning, but I convinced them. My shareholders were not so happy, but I convinced them. And more importantly for me, it's not about anything else. My family matters. I got a beautiful wife with 3 kids. I need to make them happy. So they said, why, you want to be like this? Just come free and tell your story. So I thought, as long as I'm with Fiji Holdings, I can't speak because there's an association. I'm an employee, an employee-employer relationship. So I'm not free to talk. Now I'm a free man.
So these allegations leveled against you by this young woman, what would you say in regards to those allegations?
My friend, I'm in Fiji for the last 15 years. From 2004, I'm 15 years I'm at Fiji Holdings. More than 3,000 people have worked under me, and never ever a single complaint against me. But suddenly there's a complaint. But you need to check a lot of other things. But I am telling you, I'm a clean person. My character, my integrity is not questionable. I can vouch anywhere, I can stand up anywhere and say that I'm a clean guy. I've not done anything wrong. And I'm just 52 years old. At this stage, I don't think anybody can come and complain to me. And I got 3,000 staff. Anybody can go and ask what sort of person Fareed is. But different people got different agenda. Some people want to increase their fan club. Some people want to take revenge out of me. Because don't forget, Fareed is a very ruthless businessman. During my career as CEO, I've sent more than 100 people home for non-performance, for insubordination. So there is very much active in social media. So it's okay. But I am telling the truth to the public. I'm telling the truth to everybody that I am a clean guy. I've not done anything wrong. So I'm sure police will judge. They have seen my statement. They have taken a lot of witnesses' statement. So let them come. So I think I want to raise that case right now.
The unwillingness of the FHL board to take your resignation shows a sign of support towards you.
No, they have confidence in me. But I have to explain, and so I think so I have clearly said, it's okay, I'll resign. It's okay, my contract allows me to resign. So I resign, and I want to take it positively so that I can march, I can walk, I can run as a free man. So right now, I'm a free man. I don't have any association with anybody right now.
So now how has this allegation, when it surfaced up in social media, how has this affected your personal life, your family life?
Nothing got affected. I wish that you should interview my wife. She was here. She just came and dropped me. The thing is, people who knows me. Even Fiji's and staff, if you look at, you ask your oldest reporter how long she has been interviewing me. I'm the most spoken CEO in this country. If there are any, they could have come surface. And why somebody has to come out from nowhere and speak anything against me? And please go through how this became to social media and who is supporting. Most of the people are either terminated, most of the people who owes money to the company, and the people who are disgruntled employees for whom I have not given promotion or I have not given any contract or I have not given any increment. They are the people who are speaking in public.
Are you contemplating any type of legal action?
I'm a private individual now, so I don't need to ask anybody. So I'm exploring. So when the time is right, I can go for a defamation case. No? So I'm exploring options. But of course, there should be value in that.
Now, Linda Tamboya was the first one that came out and openly posted it on social media. What do you think of such actions?
Politicians, especially from the opposition, they got their own agenda. So it's all about fan club. So there are people who want to become famous by their own deeds. I became popular not because of Fareed, it's because of what I have done. But there are people, they want to get ready now and waiting to collect votes. And you think by just giving one innocent girl's photograph and exposing her that you can be a clean person? It's up to you to judge. I don't want to say anything else.
Okay. So now, what's next for you that you've?
My achievements shows what I have done, what I can do. Fiji Holdings, under my leadership from 2011 to 2019, my profit has gone from 10 million to 45 million. My revenue has gone from 175 million to 330 million. What it says. I don't need to speak. My achievement speaks for myself. And why I'm a happy man? I'm leaving a legacy. I'm not just going out as a CEO. So I got enough skills. I can be just 5 feet 4 inches, but I've done wonders in this corporate sector. And look at the amount of acquisitions I've made, amount of divestment I've made, and the amount of contribution I have made to this country. So I think my achievement speaks for myself. I don't need to speak. So actually from now onwards, I'm in the job market. So if somebody give me a good job, I'm fine.
So would you be staying back in Fiji?
Yeah, I'm a Fiji citizen. So this is not where I was born, but this is where two of my kids are born. I love to stay here. I love to die here. And I want to contribute positively to this country because Fiji Holdings has done a lot to my life. I'm here today. It's because of Fiji Holdings. What it has done for the last 15 years. So I believe in gratitude, though some people may not. So because I'm born to a good family, I'm gone to a good school. So we normally don't forget our roots.
Look, you add on anything that you feel that you have...
I'm a happy man. I'm a free man. And I can talk freely and I can defend myself. And one last thing, I'm a clean man. I've not done anything wrong.